The Marquee tool. The Marquee tool allows you to draw rectangles or squares. If you want a perfect square, hold down the Shift key and it will constrain the tool to be a perfect square. The other way of doing that is to go to Style and go to Fixed Aspect Ratio, and then you can only draw a square no matter what you try and do. Command D to deselect the tool. Now we'll go and click and hold down on the tool, and you see there's a subset of tools like the elliptical marquee tool, and that will allow me to draw a circle or an oval shape. At the moment I'm still constraining the tool because the style is on fixed aspect ratio, so let's go back to normal, and now we can draw any type of oval or ellipsis that we like. If we need to constrain it, hold down the Shift key again. Now normally when you draw a tool, it draws it from the corner as you drag like that, but if I hold down the Alt key or the Option key, just start to draw and then hold down the Alt, and it now draws it from the center of the circle there, not from the edge, so you can center it perfectly over this elephant's face, for example. If I hold Shift, that gives us a perfect circle, and then if I let go of the mouse and let go of the tool, we've now got a circle centered right bang in the middle of this elephant, so we can create a target type of icon. So I'm just going to go to Edit and Stroke, and I'm going to put a target of about maybe 10 pixels there. I'm going to change the color to no, we'll keep it on black at the moment, that's fine. Click OK, and there you go, we've stroked a black circle around there. Command D to deselect. Now the other selection tool we have, if we click and hold down, we've got the single row marquee, and that allows us to create a perfect single row, which I'll try and do over the center of this elephant here, and then I can stroke that as well. We'll keep on 10 pixels. Okay, and then if I click and hold down again, we get the single column marquee tool, which allows me to draw a column, and we're creating a kind of target icon. It's very politically incorrect to shoot this poor elephant like that, but let's to create something with our tool. So Edit and Stroke and click OK, and there we go. Command D to deselect, and we've now created this kind of target icon using the marquee tools here. So that is quite a handy tool indeed. You notice the little triangle under some of these tools indicates that there is a subset of the tool, lots of other options. Okay, that is the marquee tool.